What's up, everybody? The weekend's almost here and we're back again with another video. My baby is so tired from our weekend at Castaways, so we're going to show you how our weekend went, and we hope you enjoy it.
Okay, we are all set to go camping in just 2 days, and look what happened. That's right, the second day of spring snowed in March. We leave in 2 days. Let's see what happens.
2 days later.
All right, it's time to go camping. Check it out. A major difference from 2 days ago. So we're gonna get Grace all hooked up and hit the road. Come on and join us. All right, we are on our way. Our maiden voyage. The shakedown trip, as they call it.
Let's hope all goes well, especially because we normally don't bring our dog. We have someone that stays at our house and watches the dog. Well, she's with us this time, so let's see how this works out.
Yep, we are on our way to Castaways Resort RV Campground. It's a very, very nice place in Ocean City. It's a place that we frequent quite often, at least once, 2-3 times a year.
Absolutely love it.
Yep, and we're headed back there for our first trip in Grace. So today we're traveling with another wonderful weekender, our niece Bobby, who's in the back.
Hi.
Our granddaughter Zoe, who's also another wonderful weekender. She's going to be meeting us there, so you'll get to see her later.
All right, so we are on our way to Ocean City.
You have arrived at your destination.
Yes, we have. We just made it to Castaways RV Resort and Campground. We're about to go in and see how things look.
There's no one here.
Okay, we're all settled in. Everything is hooked up, nice. Water, electricity, everything is hooked up. The kids are having dinner right now. Bobby and Zoe are out there. Maybe you can hear them. Kim just went to get a golf cart so that tomorrow we will take a tour of the campground here and show you what Castaways is all about. It's a great place, so you'll see that next. All right, it is day 2 of our maiden voyage here at Castaways RV Resort and Campground. Kim got something to tell you.
Okay, so far I've lost the keys to the golf cart. I went down to my daughter's cabin because she's staying here as well, mistook her cabin key for the golf cart key, and drove back down to our site, and she couldn't find the keys to her cabin. And also we can't get the cable to work right.
Yep, but we're working on all of that. We figured out the cart key situation. The cable is coming along. So now that all of that's out of the way, what we're going to do is take you on a quick tour of the campground to show you the amenities here at Castaways. Here we go.
We took a stroll down to the beach at Castaways. Over there to your, or to my right, you'll see where they do have frozen drinks in the summer. Not doing us too much good today, as you see. I'm out here in a coat and gloves. They also do have live bands sometimes in the evening. Actually, this area is very beautiful at night. So if you get a chance to rent a cabin or bring your RV down here and stay at Castaways, you'll love it.
area called Club Castaways here at the campground. And if you can see behind me, you'll see beautiful Ocean City, Maryland, and we're sitting on the Centepunxent Bay. In this area, they have their own separate pool, bathhouses, camping area, and cabins. Look at that view of the bay.
Hi, today we're doing activities with the family. They have different activities, usually every hour starting at 10 o'clock. Just to make sure you check your schedule when you check in to the campground. This is awesome. Today we're actually painting totes. So we're having a good time. So just keep that in mind when you check in. There's always something to do with the kids.
He's gonna be talking to that.
He's a kid. It's crazy. What color do you need, sweetheart? I see you looking for some. Kim's got yellow. Right?
Yellow.
I'll be done in 1 second.
I want yellow. Okay, can we have the break, please?
You got this on top of my head.
He's looking at what you're painting.
Okay everyone, this is day 3 of our maiden voyage here at Castaways RV Resort and Campground. It's almost time to go home, and we had a wonderful, wonderful time. The place was awesome. What do you think, Kim?
I loved it. There were some things that were closed, and that's because we were there on the first opening day.
Yep.
So the pool wasn't open, but we would have gotten in the pool. It was too cold anyway. And the fitness shop and the sweet shop that wasn't open yet either. But hopefully when we go back, it will be, because that's awesome as well. So we'll have to show you how the amenities are when we go back.
Yes. The place itself was great. The staff was awesome.
Very friendly.
We want to give it from wonderful to weak. Get it? Weak, W-E-A-K. From wonderful to weak, we give it an absolute wonderful. RV Castaways is an awesome place to take your family and enjoy some camping during the summertime or anytime during the year when they're open. So what we're going to do now is we're going to head on home because I'm really, really tired because it was such a great weekend. And we'll see you later. All right?
All right. Bye.
See you.
Hi everybody, I hope you enjoyed our video of Castaways RV Resort and Campground as much as we enjoyed staying there. David.
Huh?
Hey.
Oh, we ready to shoot?
We're done.
Oh, how did I do?
You did great.
Thank
You slept through the whole thing.
All right. Okay.
Hey everybody, don't forget to like and subscribe to our video, and we'll see you next time, and we hope you have a wonderful weekend.
Yep. Have a wonderful weekend.
Bye.